You hold it. You hold the camera. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? No looking at the camera. No looking at the camera. Don't do it. No looking at the camera. Look at Mommy. What are you doing? You gonna smile? Stop looking at the camera.
He's not.
Are you a ladies' man? Huh? Are you looking at all the ladies out there? What are you doing? You looking at Daddy?
No, he's not. I don't know what he's looking at. He's looking up
What's up there?
at the ceiling.
Oh. You gonna say something? Oh.
What do you have to say to all your fans? All your Twitter followers?
What are you gonna say? Yeah. Hey. Over here. Hey, over here.
What's that face?
Hi. What do you say? What are you looking at? Let me see your smiles. What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing? We got a little smile. That was it? Let me see a big one. Let me see a big smile. Let me see big. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see a big smile. Where's the face? Where's that face? Can you do it? Let me see. Is that your words? Use your words.
Alright, here, let me change them.